Hello everyone, you are watching content by Nagraj. Today's headlines: BSNL told to cancel e-auction of land abutting NS66 in Mangaluru. Adani firm repays 1,500 crores to SBI Mutual Fund. Aditya Birla Sun Life. Wipro cuts salary offers to freshers awaiting onboard, says IT union NITES slams move as unfair. Rupee declines 4 paise to 82.83 against US dollars. Meat delivery startup Fresh to Home raises $104 million in funding led by Amazon Sambhav Venture Fund. ADB President meets PM Modi, proposes 25 billion support to India's development priorities. Sales incentives worth 165.7 crores released to 4 pharma companies under PLI scheme. Coal India records 31% decline in fatalities in 2022 compared to previous year. Firms should invest over 10% of IT assets in cyber security, says Rajesh Pant. Skretting India unveils shrimp fish feeding production facility in Gujarat. India should invest 33,750 crores to achieve its lithium-ion battery production target. India's B2B sector likely to lead venture debt in 2023. RBI allows UPI-based transactions for inbound travelers to India. Angel tax provisions in finance bill will not impact startups, says DPIIT secretary. India's steel imports from Russia rose to 8-year high in April to January. Kumi Ice consolidated sales of 4,600 crores in financial year 2023. Distillery forays into UAE market. Telecommunication body COAI bats for more 5G spectrum, says mid-band 6 Hz airwaves needed for optimum service quality and costs. NTPC Green Energy to raise up to 9,000 crores term loan. Indian jeweler Joy Alucas withdraws $278 million IPO. Chronicle raises 7.5 million in funding led by Excel and Square Peg. Scrut Automation raises $7.5 million in funding round led by Mass Mutual Ventures. Spice just to consider capital raise amid losses, market share battle. Adani Group's market value drops under 100 billion. EdTech startup Next Wave raises 33 million in fresh funding. Change building code to allow digital connectivity infrastructure, says TRAI. Government to explore all legal avenues to stop HZL's 2.98 billion buyout of Vedanta's overseas zinc assets. Tata Motors to supply 25,000 EV taxis to Uber. India's economy to grow at 6% in 2023 to 2024, says former Niti Ayoga Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar. Sensex dropped at 827.08 points. Nifty dropped at 249.95 points. SaaS startup Mint Oak raises 20 million in funding led by PayPal Ventures. ADB pledges 25 billion for India's infra, social and green needs. India being an outlier is something we haven't seen, says KK Subramanian, Executive Director IMF at the ETCO roundtable. Rupees 1.5 lakh crore monthly GST collection has become the new normal, says CBIC Chief Vivek Johri. Piyush Goyal asks electrical industry to set big export targets. India's seafood exports likely to reach all-time high of US $8 billion. HSBC India profit up 15%. Bank will continue to expand balance sheet, says CEO Hitendra Dev. Banks seek more time to report loan frauds to RBI. Investors have committed rupees 450 crore for second fund, says Carpe Diem Capital. Bank of Baroda CEO says willing to keep lending to Adani Group. Decentro sets up operations in Singapore, appoints Wing Pace Shaksham Shubham as business head for SC Asia. Fresher recruitment SaaS platform Getwork raises rupees 7 crore funding. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe and share my video.